Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi, and today's video is going to be an unboxing video. So I've just received this box from Craig in Cumbria. Now, he watched the live stream that I was part of for IconIcon on All Things 80s channel, where myself and Analog Toys were discussing the old Argos catalogues that we used to get here in the UK. And during that discussion, all three of us had a really nice sort of chat and were browsing through some old Argos catalogues. In fact, I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out for yourselves. But it was a really fun live stream to be part of, and some of the items that we were sort of looking at in the Argos catalogue were things I hadn't remembered and all sorts of odd stuff as well. Well, Craig got in touch with me after that saying that he had some stuff that he thought I would like, sort of with reference to that live stream, and that is what I think is in this box here. So today we're going to open this up and see what Craig has sent. So let's get opening. Well, as you can see, it's quite a large box of stuff, and there was a letter in there, so I'm just going to read that to you. It says, "Hi there, Dave. I hope this package has found you safe and well. I would like to say a big thank you for all the videos and content you make. You do a great job and continue to inspire all that enjoy your channel. I was watching this year's IconIcon live streams, and it was great to see you taking part and having some fun. During the 80s Argos Catalogues episode with All Things 80s and Analog Toys and yourself, you were really curious about a game in the 1980 catalogue. Well, I'm not going to read the name of that, actually. It looks like he then goes on to describe some of the other bits in the box. So I'm not going to read the rest of that because I think it's always more fun to have a rummage, but it does sound like there's some things that were in that Argos catalogue. So let's start rummaging through this package of bits and we'll see what he sent. First up is the Manimal Annual. Now, this is a show I do remember watching as a kid. I didn't really remember them actually making sort of annuals of an annual of Manimal. It's almost hard to say, but that's really quite cool. It's a great show. I don't think they show it that often sort of on the TV. I wonder if there's many photos in this, because that's always the bits that I like, the photos from the show. There's a lot of illustrations and oh yeah, look, there you go, there's some photos. Oh wow, Melody Anderson, she was in some Battlestar Galactica episodes and also in Flash Gordon, so I remember her quite well. Oh wow, that's cool. I like that. I will have a read of that later on. Then what have we got? We have got a Transformers Generation 2 electronic LCD video game. I'm amazed they made these for that sort of era of Transformers. I wonder if it works. Looks like it's been opened, so I might take that out and see if we can put some new batteries in that and give it a go. What year was that from? This says 2020. So what, have they been re-releasing stuff? This is fairly modern then. I was going to say I didn't think they'd do this sort of type of thing for Generation 2. So it looks like a fairly modern game, but I'll get some batteries for that and give it a go. Then we have the $6 Million Man large piece puzzle, 224 pieces. That's going to take quite a while to do that one, maybe 10 minutes at most. But you know what? I will probably do that because I do like doing a puzzle. Then we have a Wombles puzzle, 80 pieces. That will take even less time to do, but look at that picture. That's such a classic sort of childhood memory, those Wombles there. Very nice indeed. Then we have some Kellogg's Raisin Splits. What's that? Is that playing cards? Just have a quick look at that. Or is it a game? It's Teddy Addicts. Oh, I see there's lots of questions on the back of it, so it is an actual game. I might have a play with that. I'm sure Mrs. toy-polloi would enjoy playing that because we're both quite knowledgeable about old TV type stuff. So yeah, we'll give that a go later. Ah, right. There's a couple of little badges. There's a mask badge and a He-Man badge. I will put those on my badge wall. I've got a growing collection of little badges. This is what we were looking at during the live stream, which was a thing called Turn the Terrible Tank. I'd never heard of it before, but it looks like a sort of a fairly simple game with a track where you have to sort of somehow stop the tank from attacking your turrets at either end. So yeah, this is something that we were talking about during that live stream. I'd never heard of it, but it has such a great name. It just sounded intriguing. You can see this is made by Palitoy. I think, oh, it feels like there's a lot of stuff in there. That looks like something I might have to set up and have a go with. Oh, I see there's ball bearings and all sorts of things that you've got to fire. Well, we can have a go with that at some point and yeah, see if we can get that going. But yeah, that is what we were discussing. So I think that is what Craig is talking about sending over. Really very cool. Then what else have we got here? There's a copy of Rambo First Blood Part 2 on VHS. Indeed, and they haven't rewound the tape. How rude of the people. That's pretty cool. Then we have, what is this? This is a Star Wars pencil case from, oh, it says one of the sort of the 40th anniversary. I'm going to guess this is a reissue because that looks like quite an old style case. To me, that looks like something they've sort of remade to celebrate 40 years of Star Wars. But we've got Obi-Wan Kenobi there. And then at the back we have a little Lego minifigure of a X-Wing pilot. That could well be Luke, judging by his helmet, or could be Biggs. Who knows? But that's really nice. Then we have, what's this at the back? A little wind-up robot toy. It doesn't look like that's been opened. Let me carefully open that. Oh, look at that. That's very cute. It really is just a little wind-up robot toy. And he works as well. So let's put him in his box. And then we've got one final thing at the back here. We'll open that up. Oh, I sort of recognise these straight away. These are, well, they're not quite wrist racers, but they are almost wrist racers. They have the same sort of look as the wrist racers. What have we got here? We have a Mr.T van. You can see it clearly says Mr.T on the front of that. These are made by Buddy L. So this is because wrist racers are made by a company called Knickerbocker. So yeah, these are almost look like knockoffs, but I guess they're not. These are that's from 1981. And then this one, that's the Fall Guys little van. So it's essentially the same van, just with a different paint scheme. But you can see it's got Fall Guy logos on it. So I guess that will also say from 1981. Oh, right, this is interesting. I've not seen those before, but it does look like a wrist racer because you have the same sort of ramp that comes out the front for launching it, and then a little button to sort of push it off. So it's very reminiscent of a wrist racer, but not quite a wrist racer. Intriguing. So here is everything that was in that box. I did need to say a massive thank you to Craig. It's really nice to get all of this stuff, and that Turn the Terrible Tank is very intriguing to me. He has written quite a lot of notes on what's in this box. He says the Terrible Tank doesn't actually work, so that will be something that I need to sort of have a look into. He's also mentioned about these things that I was talking about, like wrist racers, and these are made by Buddy L, and he calls them speedsters. I don't think I've ever seen them before. I collect the ones that are the Knickerbocker version, but these are really nice. And I do like the fact that they are themed to TV shows, The Fall Guy and Mr.T. So that's really nice as well. So yeah, he's written a whole load of notes, which is really kind of him. So I've got lots of bits of information. He said the pencil case is a limited edition of only 1,000. So do I use it or do I not use it? I have to say I'll probably use it because I like using things like that. And then there's also all sorts of other information there. So thanks ever so much, Craig. It's really nice to receive all this and all of the details as well. I do keep all of the letters that people send me. So this will go in my file of letters and bits that people have sent me, and I will be sending Craig some toy-polloi goodies back in the post, so thanks ever so much to him. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to be notified each time I upload a new video, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.